Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Las Hernandez and welcome to my channel. YouTube, what's going on? Like I said before, my name is Las Hernandez and pretty much the purpose of this channel is to document my journey in TRT or Testosterone Replacement Therapy. I was recently diagnosed with low testosterone. I'm a 36-year-old male and my testosterone levels were around roughly 215, which is way under the low range. As a 36-year-old male, your average should be roughly 600 in whatever units they measure. Mine was around 215. I've been feeling very lethargic, very depressed, with low drive, low motivation, a lot of joint pains, depression, anxiety, and pretty much with no desire to do anything. And this has been going on for years, and I'm talking about probably around puberty. I noticed that I wasn't developing like the rest of my friends. Fast forward to around 25, 26 years old, I would work out with my friends and I would notice that I wasn't gaining muscle like they were. I was always staying behind. My muscles were always very thin. I was always very weak. For me to go to the gym, it would take a lot of motivation and a lot of willpower to just get up and go. And it's been like that for so long that for me, that was my normal. Every time somebody would ask me, hey, how are you doing? My answer would always be like, oh, I'm tired. I'm very fatigued. And people would always tell me, oh, you probably just need to sleep more. But I knew that that wasn't it. And in one of my blood tests, it also showed finally they figured out that what I had was low testosterone. Back then, 2 years ago, what the doctor did was that they provided an estrogen blocker. Pretty much what they wanted to do was they wanted to jumpstart my testosterone. They didn't want me to do testosterone back then because they didn't want to go to such an aggressive remedy, pretty much. So pretty much after doing the estrogen blocker, I still felt bad. My joint pains got worse. My depression got worse. My motivation got worse. And I was sad pretty much all the time. Now, roughly about 2 weeks ago, I finally decided to go to a urologist, and they ran a bunch of blood panels, a bunch of blood tests, and they noticed that my testosterone was even lower than before. So after 2 or 3 blood tests, they finally figured out that what I need was TRT. January 1st of 2019 is when I took my first injection. The purpose again for this video is a personal diary to just track my progress, track my mood, and pretty much my journey on TRT and to get healthy and fit. Subscribe if you would like to follow my journey. If there's other guys out there that are experiencing the same thing and they really don't know how to go about it or how to deal with it, hopefully this channel will help you and motivate you to do what you need to do to get better. So thanks again for watching. My name is Las Hernandez, and I hope you enjoy my journey.